morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss graphics in PowerPoint. Today I discuss graphics in PowerPoint 2010 for class 6 chapter number 4 and this chapter related to topic inserting image. How to insert image? Inserting image. Today I totally related to the practical part. Let's start the practical part. This is the computer screen, and the first of all I open to MS PowerPoint. I search MS PowerPoint. Not open. The open to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 because I am installed to the not to 2010. I am installed to the 2007. This is the open to the first of all open to the MS PowerPoint. This PowerPoint is the open, and you go to the home page and you go to the new slide. The first of all select to the new slide. This is the new slide. First open to the PowerPoint and then after select to the new slide. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 option in front of you. This first slide insert table, second slide insert chart. Second picture insert chart, third picture insert a smart card graphics, fourth picture insert picture from file, and fifth picture clip art, and last insert media clip. Then the clip to the clip art option. The clip art option, then open to the one dialog box appear in front of you. This is the clip art. Search for, select, search in. This is the one dialog box appear. You just click to the clip art. And the one dialog box appear in front of you. The one dialog box appear in front of you. The search for, which type of search? Suppose I search to the computer, and you go to the and this is the all such type of option are in front of you. You just click to the, I again repeat it. Then first of all you select to the new slide. I select to the new slide. Then select to the then select to the new slide. There are the six option in front of you, and they have to select to the fifth option, clip art. You just click to the clip art. I search for the mobile, not for the computer. I search for the mobile. Sorry. You just click to the mobile, and they have to the mobile. Mobile is the not in this media file, so I search for the computer. You just click the computer, then the all our computer picture in front of you. Any computer, those which image you have to the selected, then I select to the this image. This image I select. This is the double click, and this image is front of this slide. This is the clip art option. Suppose I select this option, so this file you just select. So there are so many such type of diagram in front of you, and which type of diagram adjust in this slide, just click, just double click, and you picture show in this the slide, and just drag the three picture in front of you. Again, my second option, insert picture. So I again go to the home page. I again go to the next slide. This is the picture, insert picture. You just click to the insert picture. The one dialog box in appear in front of you. Suppose no any such type of picture in my computer screen. So anywhere, which place, suppose no any such type of picture, no any such type of picture. No any such type of picture in my laptop. So I again repeat in particular sentence. Insert image. You just click to the clip art option and search for which type of search. Suppose search dog. Just click to the dog. No any such type of option, no any clip art in this related to the search laptop. Just click go, and this is the front of the laptop. But just double click, and this laptop in front of you. This is the insert image and insert picture. You just click to the fourth option. You just click to the insert picture. There is which picture are in front of you. No any such type of picture in my laptop. So sorry, I hope no any such type of picture. You just any picture just click, and to the open button, the picture is automatically adjust in this slide. This is the insert option. And my third option, insert word art. Inserting word art. Inserting word art, you go to the insert option and then select to the word art. This is the word art. There are so many such type of art in front of you. Again, inserting word art, just you go to the insert option and then select to, suppose I select to the new slide and my name is Daya Shankar. I put in this Daya Shankar and you select in particular name and you go to the insert option and you go to the word art. Any such type of, this is the word art. This name is the automatically provided in front of you. Anywhere which type you just select and you go to the insert menu, you go to the word art. There's so many such type of art in front of you. This name is the totally different because these word art are related to the decorative. You go to the marriage, any such type of, you every student go to the marriage and you saw to the every marriage hall to the decorative in marriage time. So just PowerPoint it provide to the which slide is the effective. To then slide to the effective, you go to the word art. There are so many such type of word art option, and this is the so many such type of clear word art. This is the clear to the all such type of the word art. My dear student, I discuss in the three topic in the PowerPoint. I again repeat in this topic. First of all, inserting image, you go to the first of all open to the PowerPoint and you go to the new slide. You just click to the new slide. You just click to the new slide. There are so many such type of slide in front of you, and every slide is related to six to five option. You just click to the in this slide and the first option is the clip art. You just click to the clip art and which type of clip in the particular slide, because there are so many clip are the not available in this system. So you select in this particular slide related to the topic. Suppose I select to the man, just click, you go. There are so many such type of cut, just like to the cartoon. I just double click and this man is the front of this slide. This is the clip art. Second option, insert picture. You just click picture option and any picture, which picture are stored in this file. I am not stored in any picture, so sorry. You just select to the, suppose in this picture, this is the picture. You just open and this picture is automatically in front of this slide. And the last I am talking to word art. You go to the insert option and you just click to the word art. There are so many such type of options in front of you. Suppose this is the, you automatically go to the insert option, you go to the word. This type of, there are so many such type of art in present of you. Suppose I select in this option and you just name provide name Daya Shankar. Word art means decorative. Decorative the text. The text is the decorated. This is the word art. Why word art used in the PowerPoint? Because this is the more effective in the slide. This is the I am discussed to the 3 point. I hope every student understand. Nowhere understand. Please ask the question. Thank you so much.